What is the value of y if 2x plus 2xy plus 3y equals 25 and x equals 2? So to solve this, all we have to do is substitute x equals 2 in this equation. Okay, so let's start. So substitute x equals 2 for every x. So we have 2x. So we have 2. The value of x is 2. And then plus 2xy. So we have 2. Again, the value of x is 2. And then we have y plus, let's copy this, 3y equals 25. Then simplify. 2 times 2, we have 4. Plus 2 times 2 times y, we have 4y plus 3y equals 25. So combine this 4y plus 3y, that is equal to 7y. Put 4 to the other side or simply subtract 4 to both sides. So we can cancel this. 25 minus 4, that is equal to 21. And then last step, divide both sides by 7. So therefore, the value of y is 21 divided by 7, that is equal to 3. So the correct answer is letter B, 3. Follow for more.